Here's the done result of the Christmas tree. I put the star on top, and I went down and I add some candy canes I got at the store. I add peppermint and the multicolor one, which is the cherry. And to go down, I added those balls, and I was adding, and then I couldn't get them up. And right now I'm cooking dinner while I'm doing this. So I'm on the food defrost while I do this. I'll show you this nice Christmas tree. And I'll just do it around. This is the side, and there's no lights up here. That's weird. And then you go down. There's like some candy canes and some ornaments, and then I added this right here to it. So I'm going to do it around the circle. So this is like the back. So I can't really go back there. I'm going to slowly show you it. This is top, down, back, and side. Yeah, the done result is need to add a skirt underneath the tree, which I'll just buy one at Target. I'm going to Target Monday, because Mondays I go to Target because I have class Monday, so it's right next door, and I just go there. The only day I go to Target is Mondays. Even though I have the Cartwheel app, that's why I said on the phone my last video, because it saves me lots of money. Because I don't really make that much money. Yep, I'm just going to show around the tree, and I have to show the side. And I add the candy canes. They look so pretty, and I'll zoom right into it. Like, it looks beauty. And it freezes, so that's why it pisses me off. So, yep, and I'm just going to zoom right out. And the last show, and bye!